Hello student. In this lecture again we continue basic term. In last videos we have been seen about system, surrounding, उसके बाद में boundary, isolated system, closed system, open system, homogeneous system, heterogeneous system. उसके बाद में different types of processes, adiabatic process, then isothermal process, isobaric process, isochoric process, and now the cyclic process. Cyclic process, a process which undergo number of operations. Cyclic process, a process which undergo number of operation and again back return to its initial state. Such process is called a cyclic process. So here cyclic process undergo number of operations. Suppose A to B, B to C, C to D, and again back return to its initial state. Such process is called a cyclic process. So very simple. A process which undergo number of operation and again back return to its initial state, that is called a cyclic process. The important point ख्याल में रखने का, in cyclic process work is not equal to zero but the change in internal energy equal to zero. The change in internal energy equal to zero. तो ये होगा about the cyclic process. Now the very two important process, one is called reversible process and another one is called irreversible process. Reversible process and irreversible process. What is mean by reversible process? What is mean by reversible process and what is mean by irreversible process? So generally all the naturally occurring processes are irreversible. All the naturally occurring processes are irreversible. जैसा flow of water from higher level to lower layer, that is the flow of heat from hot body to cold body, या फिर flow of electrons toward the positively charged electrode. These processes are called a irreversible process. अब reversible process this can be takes place artificially. अब कैसे? जैसा for example, suppose thermodynamically, suppose the n mole of an ideal gas is placed in a cylinder which is fitted by weightless frictionless piston. Suppose the n moles of an ideal gas is placed in a cylinder which is fitted by weightless frictionless piston. Let P be the pressure of a gas and which pressure is opposed by another pressure, that is called a external pressure. So when gas expand, what happen? Then the pressure of a gas increases, that opposes by the external pressure, that is called opposing process. During the expansion, suppose gas expand, then what happen? The pressure of a gas is slightly greater than that of the external pressure. This pressure is called a driving force and this pressure is called a opposing force. So what happen in reversible process? The two forces acting, one is called a driving force by which the system goes in a forward direction and that are opposed by the another force, that is called a opposing force. And if the both forces are equal, then the system is said to be, then the process is said to be in a mechanical equilibrium. Mechanical equilibrium, no work done by the system on surrounding या फिर from surrounding to the system, that is called a mechanical equilibrium. But in reversible process, what happen here? That is the difference between the driving force, that is the pressure of a gas, and the opposing force, that is the external pressure, near about same. External pressure or pressure of a gas near about same, that is the driving force and opposing force near about same. While in irreversible, what happen here? That is the driving force is very larger than that of the opposing force. So in reversible process, that is the driving force is near about same या फिर infinitesimally slightly greater than that of the opposing force. and slight increase in opposing force, slight increase in opposing force, the direction of a process can be reversed. Such process called a reversible process. So what is meant by reversible process? A process in which the driving force is slightly greater than that of the opposing force, that is infinitesimally greater than that of the opposing force, and slight increase in opposing force, the direction of a process can be reversed, that is called a reversible process. In irreversible process, the driving force is very larger than that of the opposing force. Slight increase in opposing force, the direction of a process cannot be reversed, that is called a irreversible process. That is, slight increase in opposing force, the direction of a process cannot be reversed. Such process is called a irreversible process. Now by change in pressure या फिर by increase or decrease in opposing या फिर driving force, what happen? This reversible process takes place in an infinite steps. It takes place in an infinite step while it takes place in a one step. Now as the reversible process takes place in an infinite step, there is an equilibrium is obtained at every step. Equilibrium is obtained at every step. But here equilibrium is obtained after completion of a process. After completion of process. So in reversible process, as it takes place in an infinite step, equilibrium is obtained at every step. So there is no wastage of energy, and hence in this maximum work is obtained. In irreversible process, there is a wastage of energy, so maximum work is not obtained. So you have got difference between the reversible and irreversible process. These are the slow processes, while the irreversible processes are fast process. These are prepared artificially in laboratory. These are the naturally occurring. जैसा for example, the water is heated at 100 degrees Celsius. Then what happen? The liquid water is converted into its vapor. By decreasing the temperature, suppose 99, 98, then what happen? Again vapors are converted into liquid. That is, the reversible process can be managed artificially, while all the naturally occurring processes are irreversible process. तो ये होगा difference between reversible and irreversible process. तो फिर से एक बार, what is meant by reversible process? A process in which the driving force is very slightly larger, higher, greater than that of the opposing force. Slight increase in opposing force, the direction of a process can be reversed, that is called a reversible process. Irreversible में the driving force is very larger than that of the opposing force, so slight increase in opposing force, the direction of process cannot be reversed. Such processes are called a irreversible process. Clear?